And also, man, this is the benefit of having post notifications on, of subscribing to the channel, man. We doing it weekly. We doing weekly giveaways. So the first person, if you're watching this before 4 p.m. Eastern, if you're watching this after 4 p.m. Eastern, you need to go in the link in the description, first link in the description, buy you a Up Next satin line beanie so you can get entered in that $500 giveaway. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I want to come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, I'm trying to like get the lights out y'all face. But look, man, today I got a very special video for y'all today. Just teaching y'all how to get y'all locks and different hairstyles. Today I got 3 hairstyles with me, so make sure you watch the whole video. Make sure you watch the full tutorial on how to do each hairstyle correctly, alright? Before this video even starts, man, I would like to inform you guys about the serious offer that I'm having on my website right now. Buy one product at 4 p.m. Make sure you be the first person to buy a satin line beanie at 4 p.m. Eastern time, okay? You will be entered in a $500 giveaway, all right? So $500 giveaway. I'm pretty sure y'all heard me talking about it on my socials, Instagram, stuff like that. Yes, we giving it away. We giving it away, man. We giving it away, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Go visit the website, link in the description. Go visit it. You know what I'm talking about. Go purchase you a satin line beanie. Purchase 1, purchase 2. It don't even matter, you know what I'm saying? But make sure you be the first one to purchase at 4 p.m. I will be looking and seeing who's all purchasing at 4 p.m. to see, okay, who I'm gonna get a $500 to. But that's just, if you trying to win a quick $500 for the day, you know what I'm saying? Go first link in the description, upnextmalyt.com. Order you a satin line beanie at 4 p.m. Once you do that, you will be entered in the $500 giveaway. I'll be announcing the winners within 24 hours on this YouTube channel. So make sure you stay subscribed, turn on post notifications after you enter in the giveaway at 4 p.m. Eastern time. So that's link in the description, first link. Don't miss out on that. I forgot to mention, y'all, like second place, y'all be winning 2 free satin line beanies. So if you're watching this right now and you don't have a satin line beanie, go order you one, all right? So you can get two free more satin line beanies, and you can just give them to whoever you want to give them to. All right, man, starting off with the first style, we got the turban. All right, we got the turban. I'm about to show y'all how to put that on really quick and easy. All right, quick and easy, man. So you want to make sure that you got a long enough turban first off. Well, scarf, turban, whatever you want to call it. I'm about to bend y'all down so I can show y'all this length of it. Man, the scarf is very long. So it should be longer than your wingspan, alright? So, because the reason why you want one of these scarves, and it's a VK scarf, man. Go shop on the Kier collection. I don't even think she got it up right now, but she should have it up by time. So this is a VK scarf, but the reason I said y'all want y'all scarf to be very, very, very long is because if y'all try to do it with a shorter scarf and you got like locks or whatever, it's not gonna work. Okay, so first step, you wanna put it over your head, right? And then you just wanna put it over your shoulder like this. So I'm gonna wait till you got it over your shoulder like this, and then I'm gonna continue. All right, cool, you got it? All right, so first thing I do is I pull it all the way down to my nose and I bend it to my forehead. And it's almost like a do-rag. You know how like that do-rag got that little section in the front? I go all the way back, so I have it like that, right? In the back of my hand, right? So you got the top good. You got it nice and tight. You want to use one hand, right? You want to use one hand, you want to hold it tight. You want to use the other hand as a free hand. Go through, I'm doing this like very easy for y'all, very like not complicated for y'all. So take one arm, go through that slot right there. Take the other section, right? So you got one section right here. Take the other section, right? And you go through the slot. And when I mean slot, I mean the slot of your hand that's holding them two together. So then you have this. Okay, so then you have this, right? So now you got this, right? Waiting on y'all to get this. All right, so once y'all got this, you basically just wanna keep wrapping. Just wrap. Just twist it. And this is the easiest, man, look, some people, they went so fast, I ain't even know how to do it, so I had to keep doing it. You know what I'm saying? So y'all see the first part coming in. I always tuck mine. I just tuck it to like the back or something. Then you wanna grab the second part, go over the tuck that you just did right here, go over that with this one. And then you just wanna line that shit up. Man, line it up. I ain't mean to cuss. Damn. When y'all lining it up though, it's gonna be times like this, man. Just redo it. Alright? Just redo the twist. Redo the twisting motion that I showed y'all. And y'all gonna be good. Alright, so that's the turban look. About to get a little thumbnail right quick. Alright y'all, so that's only one hairstyle, alright? So that's the turban look. I'm about to take this off. I'm about to give y'all a little simpler look, man. One of the simplest look ever. The up next satin line beanie, man. Y'all saw how easy I just put it on, man. Y'all just saw how easy that was, you know what I'm saying? No twists, no turns, no none of that. Just throw it on, you feel me? And also, man, this is the benefit of having post notifications on, of subscribing to the channel, man. We doing it weekly. We doing weekly giveaways. So the first person, if you're watching this before 4 p.m. Eastern, if you're watching this after 4 p.m. Eastern, you need to go in the link in the description, first link in the description, buy you a Up Next satin line beanie so you can get entered in that $500 giveaway. All right, so buy you that, come back to the video. Yeah. So yeah, man, this is a simple look, simple beanie look. It got the satin line inside, so your locks, they locked in, right? All right, so I rarely wear a do-rag, all right? I rarely wear a do-rag, but when I do, it's like a fresh do-rag, you feel me? I'm probably going for like a little fresh feel. Probably just got my hair retwisted. I'm pretty sure everybody know how to put on do-rags. But if you don't know how to put on a do-rag for your locks, I'm about to show you real quick. And I got 4 years, man. So this is a lot of hair. So I'm about to really show y'all how to tie y'all do-rag with a lot of hair. So in the back, what I'm doing is I'm doing the same thing. All I'm doing is I'm tying it, okay? So just a tie. Boom. Excuse me. So once I got it all tied up, man, you can either rock it, you can either pull it down right here, right? So you can pull it down and you can rock it like this. A lot of people, I know y'all see a lot of people rock they do-rag down, right? It's a lot of people. But I like to fold my back up. I like to fold my back up, give it a tight look, tight feeling, and just rock my do-rag like this. Feel me? Very quick, very easy, very simple, man. You just tuck the back, alright? Alright, cool, man. That's the end of this video, man. Like I said, man, don't forget, man, $500 giveaway to the people before, at 4 p.m. Make sure I go shop. First person at 4 p.m. You feel me? Go shop. Alright, so $500 giveaway to the first place winner, $500 giveaway, second place winner, 2 free satin line beanies. Alright, so y'all go shop. First link in the description. Shout out to everybody who looking at the hairstyle video. You know what I'm saying? We got more videos coming out today anyway, so we good. Catch y'all folks later. Peace.